Hi, today I have a Brady lockout tagout padlock. It's a new one. The model is come on, focus 7130 HB75. It came with a two keys, and here's the key. It's a Abus Brady lock. It's as you can see 6-pin key, but it's a 5-pin lock because the sixth one is used for holding the core, I think. And as you can see, interesting beading. First is a short one, then two longs, and two shorts, and the fifth one is pretty short one. Yeah, and the keyway is I don't know if you can see, but it's interesting keyway, but pretty wide open. You can see from the lock. Here's that open keyway. Brady on this side, yellow one, plastic one, of course, lockout tagout. So, and the shackle is like long one, aluminum or some light material. And the lock is working 5, and it's with a removable core. It came with this two stickers: lockout, do not remove, and this property off. So yeah, and for picking this lock I will use the Jason J aka XB modes pick. I was thinking to use it or not to use it, but I decided to use it because it's an awesome pick. And yeah, Jason, thank you very much for sending it to me. And yeah, let's start picking it. So 1 nothing, 2 small click, 3 nothing, 4 nothing, 5 nothing, 3 it's click from 3. When I was going back, I noticed that 3 was, yeah, now 1. I think I set pin number 1. Yeah, that's focus. So let me check all other pins. 1 2 3 4 and 5 now. I think I set pin number 5, but something else is holding me. 1 2 3. All the pins, I think they are standard pins. 4 5 4. So something is holding me up, or I overset something. 3 now. I don't know if 3 is binding. Yeah, I dropped something. So let me check. Yeah, it was 5. And it's open. And I don't know if you can see, but there is a short pin. There's a pin in here, so that's how. Yeah, everything is a standard. So as you can see, all the pins are standard. Longer key pins, shorter drivers, and shorter key pins, longer drivers, just to make the stack equal. Yeah, so that was the Brady Abus Brady lockout tagout lock picked, model number 7130 HB75. Here's the close-up again. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and